If the two substituents on the benzene ring are different, the substituents are considered in the alphabetical order. And the substituent which comes in the alphabetical order first is assigned at the position 1 on the ring. The numbering of other carbons in the ring is considered in the direction in which the second substituent get the lowest possible number. We shall discuss a few examples. In this molecule, there are two substituents. One is chlorine and the second one is nitro substitution. So chloro and nitro. Considering the alphabetical order, C comes first. So we will fix the position of chlorine as 1. And we shall start the numbering of the ring. So this is carbon 1 and we should number in such a way that the next substituent should get the lowest number. So we shall proceed in the clockwise direction and this carbon gets number 2. This is carbon 3, carbon 4 and so on. Thus the molecule is 1 chloro, 2 nitro, benzene. The nitro substitution is at the ortho position and hence the molecule can also be called orthochloronitrobenzene. In the second molecule, there are two substituents, bromine and iodine. According to alphabetical order, bromine comes first. So this is carbon number 1. And numbering should be in such a way that the next substituent gets the lowest possible number. So we can number in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. If we proceed in clockwise direction, iodine gets number 3. And if we proceed in anti-clockwise direction, iodine gets number 5. So iodine should get the lowest possible number. So we will number as 1, 2, 3. Hence the molecule is 1 bromo 3 iodobenzene or metabromo iodobenzene, since the substitution is at the meta position with respect to the first substituent. In the next example, one substituent is chlorine and the other substituent is ethyl group. Following alphabetical order, the chloro group comes first. So it is assigned at carbon number 1 and the ethyl substitution is at carbon number 4. Hence the molecule is 1 chloro 4 ethyl benzene or parachloroethyl benzene. If the name of one of the substituents is already incorporated into the name of the compound, then the incorporated substituent is given the position 1. And numbering is done accordingly so that the next substituent gets the lowest possible number. So considering this molecule, benzene substituted with COH group is called benzoic acid, and benzoic acid is a name accepted by IUPAC. Hence the COH substituent is assigned as carbon number 1 and chlorine is considered as the second substituent, and numbering is done accordingly so that Cl gets the lowest possible number. we shall number the molecule in the clockwise direction so that the carbon with Cl gets carbon number 2. Thus the molecule is 2-chlorobenzoic acid. Considering this second molecule, OH substitution on benzene is phenol. That is the common name accepted by IUPAC. And we have a second substituent NO2 at the meta position or at carbon number 3. Hence the molecule is named as 3-nitrophenol or metanitrophenol. Considering the next example, we have NH2 substitution and Br substitution. A benzene ring in which one hydrogen is replaced by NH2 is called aniline. And here there is a bromine at position 4. So the molecule is bromoaniline or 4-bromoaniline or para-bromoaniline. For some molecules which are disubstituted benzenes, they have names in which both the substitutions are incorporated. A benzene in which one hydrogen is substituted by CH3 and another hydrogen is substituted by NH2 group is called toluene. And in the given molecule, the substitution is at ortho position and hence the IUPAC name of the compound is orthotoluene. If one substituent is OH and the second substituent is CH3, the molecule is called cresol, and in the given molecule the substitution is at meta position, so it is called metacresol. If both the substituents are CH3 groups, the molecule is termed as xylene, and in this example the substitution is at para position, so the molecule is paraxylene. Moving on to polysubstituted benzenes. When more than two groups are attached to the benzene ring, the positions of the substituents are indicated by numbering the carbon atoms of the ring in such a way that the first priority is given to assign lowest number to all the attached groups. And in the final name of the compound, the substituents are indicated in the alphabetical order. If we take this example, there are three substituents, that is called polysubstituted benzene. One is NO2, second one is Cl, and the other one is ethyl. We should follow a numbering system in which all the substituents should get the lowest possible numbers. So numbering is done in such a way that NO2 gets position 1, Cl gets the position 2, and ethyl gets position 4. And in the name of the compound, the substituents should be represented in the alphabetical order. So chlorine comes first, then ethyl, and finally nitro. Hence the molecule is called 2-chloro, 4-ethyl, 1-nitrobenzene. In the second example, we have three substitutions: bromine, iodine and chlorine. We have to number the positions of carbons in such a way that all the substituents should get the lowest possible number. Here the lowest possible numbers are obtained when chlorine, the carbon to which chlorine is attached, is assigned as carbon number 1. Next comes the position of iodine, position 2, 3 and bromine at position 4. And representing them in the alphabetical order, we get 4-bromo, 1-chloro, 2-iodobenzene. In the third example, there are three substituents: Cl, Br and NO2. To get the lowest possible number for all the substituents, numbering is done from bromine, so that Br gets position 1, NO2 at position 2 and Cl at position 4. Hence the name of the compound is 1-bromo, 4-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene, giving bromo, chloro and nitro in the alphabetical order. For a polysubstituted benzene, if one substituent is incorporated into the name of the compound, that substituent is given the position 1 and numbering is done so that the other two substituents get the lowest possible numbers. In the first example, there are three substituents: CH3, Cl and NO2. A benzene ring in which one hydrogen is substituted by CH3 is called toluene. Hence the CH3 group is incorporated in the name toluene and that carbon is assigned as carbon 1. And numbering is done so that Cl and NO2 gets lowest possible numbers. So moving in the clockwise direction, Cl gets number 2 and NO2 gets number 4. Hence the compound is 3-chloro, 4-nitrotoluene. The second molecule can be considered as the derivative of phenol, so that the carbon to which OH is attached is given as carbon number 1. And numbering is done in such a way that bromine and Cl gets the lowest possible numbers. So moving in anti-clockwise direction, Cl gets position 2 and Br gets position 4. The molecule is 4-bromo, 2-chlorophenol. The third molecule is considered as a derivative of aniline. NH2 gets position 1, Cl at position 2 and NO2 at position 4. Representing the two substituents chloro and nitro in the alphabetical order, we get 2-chloro, 4-nitro aniline.